Hello and welcome back, fellow PowerShell engineers. I am now going to extend my Pokédex PowerShell challenge to both Qwen chat, that is the large language model from Alibaba, and Grok, which is from X. So a lot of you said, hey, why not use Qwen? Why not use Grok? So we're going to go give it a go. That's pretty. I've not used Qwen at all before. Actually, yeah, really, I have not before this chat right here. Getting kind of the same thing. I'm wondering if we come in at the same line count that we did on some of the other ones. Shorter, much smaller, 69 lines. Interesting. All right, let's go ahead and give that a go. And I already made the PS1, so we could save even more time over the last video. What did we get? Okay, I like that. It's simplistic. It looks just like the ChatGPT one. Looks a lot like that, I believe. 25. Oh, wow, it only loaded the image. Okay, and that would explain why it's a little bit shorter. Oh, and it doesn't resize when you get bigger. Interesting. Okay. Well, that is certainly a choice to make it. At least it functions. I'll give it that. So, very cool. All right. Now let's go ahead and give Grok a try. I will note that I do have a premium version of Grok. I think that makes a difference. So we will give that a shot. Yeah, it must, because that's certainly a lot faster. Interesting with Grok too, doesn't give the line count. Not a huge deal. It's just interesting to see how these different things are implemented. So all in all, I think that's kind of short, but we will give it a shot. Okay, that loaded right up. Somewhat similar. Oh, wow. So Grok just gave the name and the icon. And it's somewhat small, but no stats. So, fair question to ask. I think I would rank Grok and Qwen a little bit lower still than our top two from last time, which were DeepSeek and Claude. I'd actually rank it below ChatGPT and the PowerShell Engineer one as well, just because it gave a little bit more stats. Now, granted, this is kind of an arbitrary way to compare them all. Let's make sure it can do a name search as well. Actually, I should have done that. Okay. So, loads them up. Interesting. But, still ahead of Gemini. And actually, I would rank Grok above Qwen for sure. So Grok is definitely above Qwen and Gemini. But then I'd say the ChatGPT and DeepSeek, then Claude. So there you have it. That's how well we can make these. I'm sure you guys will now question more models as well, like Llama, and I can't really think of any other ones, but I wasn't going to download Llama for this. I think to keep it fair, using the web-based pieces is the most objective way, although I do have premium of 3 models now. And I would be curious at what the $200 ChatGPT would have done as well. But more tests like these are coming, guys. I think I was playing around with a stockbroker, sort of a stock analysis app, building it with PowerShell and Windows Forms with using AI, and those are some interesting things using some different stock market APIs. But good questions. I think all the models should be considered, and I think as we keep analyzing these things, it's cool to just play with this stuff and see what it does. So, and of course, I like it from a PowerShell context. So, thanks so much, you guys. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you soon.